Some more practice problems with division. First, pause the video to work out the problems yourself. Then play the video to check your work. Number 1, 10 divided by 800ths. The first step is to shift the decimal 2 places to the right, which means you also need to do the same thing in the dividend. So you will now have 1,000 divided by 8. When you work through the problem, that will then give you 125 for your answer. Number 2, 16 and 8/10 divided by 2500ths. Again, the decimal needs to shift 2 place values to the right in the divisor, so the same thing needs to happen in the dividend. This means you will have 1,680 divided by 25 for 67 and 2/10. Number 3, 8,676 and 5700ths divided by 5 and 2300ths. Once again, we are shifting the decimal 2 place values to the left, and we will have 867,657 divided by 523. So remember, with these kind of problems, you can use the calculator to find your multiplication, but you still have to show all of the process. Last one, 4,923 and 4800ths divided by 461.